What's going on, everybody? So, finally back. You saw the B-roll. My car is now at home. I got all the parts unloaded last night. Kayla and I now have all the stuff to start on the project today, and hopefully we can start building this thing and actually get it like back together, because it's been way too long. There's now snow on the ground and I've made zero progress on the car. But for the first time I get to see actually the repair in the daylight, and it doesn't look horrible. I wouldn't say it's anything to brag about. The body shop I went to really did mess me around quite a bit, so I'm iffy about that, but it does look really good. For what I paid, I'm not too angry about it, but all in all, let's get this thing started and then we can go from there. So we finally got everything laid out, ready to go. We got hood, fender, all the little tools or the little stuff that we gotta assemble. Got my bumper finally that I'll reveal to you. AC condenser, we got headlights in there, all the tools in there. Of course the car's ready to go. And then we have my rad support in the box. And finally I get to unveil the whole bumper to you. I'm gonna make a custom grill probably next season when this is all together, but look how aggressive it is comparing to the initial bumper. All this splitter in the front and then all the mesh grill and the actual nice cutouts there, plus the new headlights. That's gonna look phenomenal, and I can't wait to see this all together. It's gonna be beautiful. So let's get this started. Hopefully we can get a lot done today, and if I have to finish it off another time, I will. If not, it's gonna be in the springtime. But the more we can get done now, the better I'll feel through the winter, and the more comfortable I'll be knowing I can put the rest of it together next season, other than I'm worried about how many piles of bolts I have in there because I was stupid and didn't label them. So, we got a lot of the front end together. Sorry there was no time lapse for this one. My battery's about to die and I didn't bring another one here, but we're gonna figure something out. I got a lot of this connected. Fans in the back, fan shroud, rad support, AC condenser, and radiator are in together. AC's all hooked up for now. A lot of the trim's done, power steering coolers in as well, and there's a lot of problems we've run into with trying to find bolts on this table, as well as a lot of these speed clips the new rad support didn't come with. Thankfully, I had the old one, which I could just take off of, so that was a big help for me. Same with we had to start watching a video because a lot of this, just no clue what it's doing, where it's going, all of that. A lot of these small, little tiny trim pieces, that's the hood latch. A lot of these small little plastic bits, I have no clue where they go, so I have to watch something, whether it just be a schematic or an actual video to show me where they are. Because, you know, I'm still young, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not 100% sure, Kale's not 100% sure. We're figuring it out as we go, and we'll give you another update in a few. I'll try and take some B-roll if my camera doesn't die. If not, I'm sorry, but this is how it has to go. So, nice to look at. This is the hood. Absolutely gorgeous. The carbon's so nice. Fender, still gotta learn how to actually align body panels because this is not good. No bueno whatsoever. Underneath, we got pretty much everything in.
Now laying it down.
We got pretty much everything in. We got the wash fluid. We got everything that was missing before. We still have quite a bit to do. Headlights. I need new struts for the hood.
Nope.
I need all of that. We got a lot of the stuff off the table. I have to learn how to install hood pins eventually. Still have my bumper to go. All of the parts back there have to eventually go in the car. So there's still a lot to do, but it's Canada, so it gets dark at 4:30, and we're not gonna have much light left to actually do the rest of this, so it's gonna have to wait till another day. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to wait until spring and we can get another 1 or 2 nice days left in the season. But this is how we're gonna have to end it tonight, and I do apologize for that. But yeah, sadly that's gonna have to be it for today, and it's a bummer that we're not gonna be able to get it back together, but it slowly comes in stages, and what are you gonna do? This is just how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, 'cause it does help me in the channel out a lot. If you want me to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, as again, it does help me in the channel out a lot. And if you hit the bell notification, you're gonna be able to actually keep updated with the project car, and it again helps me very much. So thanks guys again for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.